There we go. Maybe she's in here. Oh, that's freaky.
Must transfer into a rocket to participate in this launch. Thank you, and enjoy your flight.
Yeah. Still looking for Lee's? I think I lost my hat. Hello. All right, so looking for Lee's on Space Mountain. Hi, everybody. Have you seen my wife? I'm looking for my wife. Has anybody seen my wife? I guess. Whoa. Okay. It's dark in here. Hi back there. Okay. Oh no. No. Whoa. We're going to that red wall in front of us. Oh, shit. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Did you see that? Let's race those guys. See them over there? Oh, the guys over there. See them? We're going to race those guys over there. See? Over there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's too dark. It's too dark. No. No. Oh, where are we going? Where are we going? Whoa, look at that. Hey, did you see that? Oh no. Whoa. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Hey, whoa. Hey, look. Hey, that was a rocket ship over there. Whoa. No rocket ship. Oh, no. Whoa. Oh, no. Is it over? Okay. No, it's not over. Oh, we're going around. Whoa. This is a ride that never ends. Whoa. I thought it was over. Okay, it's all over now, right? It's all over.
With our sensor vehicle, you're complete. Docking, stand by the mission.
What happened there? Oh, there's people behind me. Oh, well, didn't find my wife. Put my mask back on. Okay, hat. Just straighten up the hat here. Okay, that was pretty intense. Hey, I found my hat. How did that happen? Thank you. All right, trying to get out now. Oh, get out. Yeah, big guy can't get out. Foot stuck. Okay, I'm out. Yay! Bye, guys. That's me here. There I am, right there. I'm asking you if you've seen my wife anywhere. Is she on the computer screen somewhere?
Yeah, you can't go all the way out to the building.
Oh, ooh, hey, dog. There's a dog over there. Okay. Where's that rope ladder go to? Maybe Lisa's down. Lisa, are you down there? Stay tuned. We'll maybe find her later.